emotional day in New Hampshire as lawmakers debated and vote on the future of that state's centuries-old death penalty. Our Michael Rosenfield was at the Capitol.
I am struggling and have struggled with this decision.
The New Hampshire Senate floor, the site of passionate debate on the controversial issue of capital punishment.
The people in the gallery and the people back home are asking us to stand up today and either vote for the death penalty or vote against it.
Supporters and opponents of the death penalty packed the Capitol today, both inside the Senate chambers and outside the State House, as senators made their positions clear.
State-sponsored execution is not justice. We stoop to the level of the killer, and it changes nothing.
Because I believe that there are some crimes that are that heinous, I support the death penalty.
The vote ended in a tie 12-12, predominantly along party lines, most Republicans voting to keep the death penalty in place.
The death penalty is a failed public policy. It doesn't work. It doesn't protect public safety. It doesn't provide support for our police officers. It does not reduce violent crime.
I think it's really important to keep the death penalty on the books for especially egregious cases.
Today's actions watched closely because the House had already voted to repeal the death penalty, and the governor had indicated she would have signed it into law if it had made it through the Senate.
It's obvious that this movement has momentum in New Hampshire.
With the vote today, New Hampshire remains the only state in New England with the death penalty still on the books. Opponents of capital punishment say they will continue their fight here. From the state capitol in Concord, New Hampshire, Michael Rosenfield, WBZ News.